Boom. Hey, what's up and welcome. Come on in. I'm going to show you around. In this video, we're going to be looking at the Pinescript Pro Trader Whop and what's inside, what you get, and you can take a look around. So I'm going to be your tour guide. My name is Paul. I've been programming in Pinescript and trading for 10 years now, since 2015. So I teach a lot of Pinescript in here and automating trading, and we talk about taking trades and making money. If that sounds like it's up your alley, let's walk into the platform and let's walk through it real quick to show you what I have available to give you. So in the beginning, you're going to see a welcome tutorial that's just going to give you an overview of the platform. It's going to walk you through things, introductions, show you where to go. There's a video lesson here and just goals and purpose of this community, just to kind of get you situated and on the right track, get you oriented. Then finally, you'll want to pay attention to admin announcements. This is where I push all of the updates and anything else that's important. You'll get them right here, like the weekly Q&As, updates, all kinds of things, right? Then you'll want to go ahead and if you already have a TradingView account, just come in here, plug it in, and you'll get access to all of my published tools right away. They'll be added to your account. These are paid separately on my website, but you'll get them for free as soon as you join. Then you can go ahead and join the Discord group. There's actually 900 other people over there, and there's some automations on there. There's a lot of stuff going on in there. I frequent that as well. I'm trying to keep everyone on the Whop, but since I had this group, I figured I would just send people over there. Not everyone likes to use a platform they're not comfortable with. A lot of people are comfortable with Discord, so we have that as well. Then there is the Pro Chat. This is where everyone's going to be. I'll post trades in here. We'll ask questions, whatever you want. Like when I'm doing the live streams, I'll post that in here. And then there's the live streams. You can register for these events. I come on once a week, every Friday. We can change those times. Just vote on it. And if someone wants me to live stream, just shoot me a message in the Pro Chat. And if I'm available, I don't mind jumping on and we can run through some things. Okay, then we have a help desk. If you can't contact me, if you try DMing me and I don't answer you or you don't see me in the Pro Chat for whatever reason, you can come in the help desk and I'll answer your questions there. And then there is suggestions for just changes in the course or anything you want to see added. You can do that here. Finally, we have the forums. This is more like if you're posting code, introductions, welcome to the Pinescript Pro Traders Hub, and some people were posting indicators in here. I posted a couple indicators that I was working on. They're not fully finished yet. So I have all the code to these. You can see the code. Our users are posting code, strategies, whatever it is you want to put in here. Pinescript related, that's where we'll put it. So that's that. And then the really good stuff, the really juicy stuff, we'll put in the community vault so it doesn't get lost. Because we're going to have a lot of material going into the forums that you guys can post in. And I'll pick what I think is really good and I'll just grab it. Only I can post in here. So I have right now just a bunch of watch lists that I've created on TradingView, a community fund that we're putting together, and strategies that we worked on. And they've worked out pretty good, so I put them in here, and as well as indicators and more strategies. Obviously, this will continue growing. Then there's a free chat, which actually gives you access to everyone who's in the Pinescript introduction chat. So I just left this here for anyone who wants to chat with anyone who's not in the Pro Trader, just in case. Right? Video chat for anyone who wants to jump on video real quick. It's built right in. And then we have a live stream archive. So I record all of the live streams and I put them in here when I'm done. So if you miss one, you can come back in here and just review for that week. Twitter tracker, it's going to track my Twitter if you're not on Twitter. Free prizes in here, so you get upgrades, you can win all kinds of things, including cryptocurrency, AirPod Max, gift cards, upgrades to the platform so you can actually move on to the next level, upgrades to the Whop group so you can get like a lifetime access, one-on-ones with me. There's all kinds of things in here. You can spin this once every single day and you can win something. People have already won things. Then there's free tools and paid tools. This is just a wiki for the tools that you get access to up here when you add them on the all indicators, okay? Then the bulk of this is all of the courses that we're going to be looking at. You get Practical Pinescript 1, Part 1 and Part 2. the whole thing. And then Pinescript 101 is going to teach you the basics of Pinescript from knowing nothing all the way up to advanced, okay? And then you're going to be able to pretty much write any indicator you want in Pinescript once you get to this point. Then we go into strategy, so you can learn how to back test things, how you can forward test things, and then we get into portfolio optimization, really more advanced stuff for back testing. And then this one right here is just building projects. So if you have a specific project or an indicator you want me to build, I'm going to build it from scratch, and I'm going to show you how I build it without focusing too much on the teaching Pinescript, but more about how you're going to build something when you already have some of the fundamental knowledge of Pinescript. So you get to see how I would build something from my point of view. I've been doing this for 10 years, so you get to see how I would do it. And then automation, so when we go live, you can do some live trading, have your back-tested strategy, taking live trades on an exchange and running it that way. Then there is the daily drip. So every single day you're in here, a new piece of code unlocks, okay? And I'm gonna keep adding to this. Right now we've got 30 whole days of good code, auto Fibonacci in here, a whole volume levels indicator, portfolio correlation, dynamic MACD, reverse, all kinds of things in here, multi-time frame, auto RSI. I have a lot of this code that's actually published on TradingView privately. So you'll get access to all of that in the daily drip. Then we have a crypto course, and this is going to teach you all about operational security. And then there is a meme coin trading course, okay? And this is going to teach you how to trade meme coins. And then we have market and trade alerts. So I'll post trade analysis and market analysis and trade alerts every now and then. Whenever I get into a trade, I will post that here. So we have a couple trades already. These have all done good so far. I'm not posting every day. I'm posting when I find a high conviction trade that I want to share with you guys. So don't join this group for like everyday signals. It's here, and it's something that I've added to it because I know for a lot of people, you want to just join a group and make money and not just spend your whole time just learning coding language. So I added this to this because I'm a very active trader, and I figured I would share my trades. So that's there. And then there is affiliate links. This helps me, and sometimes it'll help you. I'm thinking that whatever money I generate from this will go into the community fund, and we'll take it from there. But if you use some of these links, you'll also get discounts, and you'll also make some money in some of them. So I'm pretty transparent with all of them. I basically say if I'm making money or if you're making money, if we're both making money. Either way, they're there. And then there's more links, and there's a job board where I'll post work that I get. I get requests from people all the time to write Pinescript for them. So I'll post those and I'll forward them to you guys, and free script requests. So this is something that would go in the Pinescript introduction. I put it also in here. So you don't need to join both of the Whops. You can just be in this one and get access to everything. And that's it for the Pinescript Pro Trader. That's all the stuff. If you want to check out the Discord, I can open it up right here and show you around inside the Discord. So in the Discord, we currently have 867 members. There's jobs in here as well. There's a general. This is where you'll be asking questions. Also access to my Twitter and additional resources for Pinescript. And then I made a section recently for crypto scanning, so you can post in. You can paste the contract address of certain coins, okay, like that, and it's going to scan that coin and kind of give you the background of some background information for that coin, the fully diluted valuation, the liquidity, the volume at the time, top holders, has the liquidity been burnt. So you'll be able to get some nice access to some robots here for scanning coins, especially if you do Solana, Pump Fund, meme coin trading, okay? Then there's also a Sol wallet tracker with wallets that I've picked out personally that seem to be doing really well. Some of them have super high win rates. Some of them are insiders, and I followed these, and these guys make pretty decent trades. So if you don't know what to look at, just look at what these people are buying. Obviously, be careful. But this is available for you inside of the Discord. I can't automate that inside of Whop. So if you're into that kind of crypto trading, come down to the Discord and you'll get access to that. And that's pretty much it for the Pinescript Pro Traders Hub. If you're interested in that, you know where to sign up. You can sign up on Whop, or you can come over to my website and sign up through here. You might get an extra discount if you sign up through my website. So please check that out first. And if you have any questions, send me a message. Thanks for watching.